How to add text to fill-out form on PDF on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Files application on your phone. Once you open the File application, tap on My Phone under the Location section of the application. Once you're inside, navigate to the location of your PDF file. In this case, the file is located within the PDF folder. Tap on the PDF document to open it in the viewer. To begin adding text, tap the icon with a pen located in the bottom left side of the screen. As you can see, a plus icon will appear. Tap on it. From the menu that appears, select the Add Text Form box option. A new text box will appear on your document. Tap inside the box to bring up the keyboard and type in your desired text. After entering the text, you can tap on the AA icon to access formatting options such as font, size, and style. Here, you can also make the text bold. Once you are satisfied with the changes, tap on the Share icon in the bottom right section. From the Share sheet, select Save to Files to save the modified document. Finally, tap on Save at the top right corner to confirm. Following these steps, you can easily add text to fill-out form on PDF on an iPhone.